Hey, what's up guys? If you like DIY lawn care, and if you like mowing, and if you enjoy coastal living, then this is the channel for you. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications for the next time that I post a video for you. And go ahead and check out my Teespring store for some awesome Don's Lawns merch. Make sure you visit CoolieNation.com and use code DonsLawns10 for a 10% discount off of your next custom koozie order. What's up everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. Alright guys, so it's been 4 weeks since I applied my Milorganite, and it's been about 10 weeks since I applied the Scott's Bonus S. So that means it's time for some more fertilizer. We're gonna go ahead and throw down some Scott's TurfBuilder for Southern Lawns. My weed control is doing very well. There's nothing really going on. No wild outbreaks of anything, so no need to do the Scott's Bonus S like I originally thought back in January and such. So now we're going to go straight into Scott's TurfBuilder. We're going to use it to try to get some more growth, more root development as well, slightly, but mostly push the growth before summer. We really want to try to get the lawn to thicken up real good before summer hits. So right now our temperatures have been getting into the 80s, low 90s, so it's about time to really hit it with the higher nitrogen fertilizer so that we can get more growth. Here's a little update. It's 1 week since my follow-up propiconazole treatment. It's doing all right. Still got some yellowing, but there is more stolons spreading across into the no man's land. Let's see this one. This one. Still a little yellow, but give it some time. It'll do all right. It's recovering. Nothing's perfect. Just give it some time. Alright guys, quick little math lesson for trying to figure out how much nitrogen you are putting down or how much product in general. You take the bag, the weight is 14 pounds, you divide it by how many square feet it says it covers, which is 5,000. 14 divided by 5 will tell you how much you put down in your spreader per 1,000 square feet. So for this product, the Scott's TurfBuilder, that means 2.8 pounds of this product goes down per 1,000 square feet. So then you take that 2.8, you multiply it by 0.32, because this is 32% nitrogen. So you multiply 2.8 times 0.32, and that tells you that this will have 0.89 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So I chose to use the Scott's Turf Builder today because it's readily available. Anyone can buy it at Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere like that. That's kind of been my mantra lately, is to find things that anyone can use instead of having to order it online or anything like that. Something that you can just go to the big store, buy it, and try to show you how to do it and not screw it up. So I hope that today's video helped. I hope you guys learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and tap subscribe, tap the bell if you want to get notifications. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.